Hi everyone! Welcome back to Ann Design Craft channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet a simple and beautiful flower piece. If you like this video, please subscribe and give a like and share. With you big support, I will have motivate to create more videos for you. This versatile little project can be turned into so many things: a cute keychain, a stylish granny square, or even a decorative piece to add that extra charm to any item. It's perfect for beginners, and you'll love how quick it comes together. Here are the tools you'll need for this video: a 4-ply cotton yarn, a 3mm crochet hook, a needle, and a pair of scissors, and a tool for stuffing. Grab your yarn and hook. Let's get started. Make a knot in a magic ring. Then do 8 single crochet on it. Pull the yarn tail tight to make the ring smaller. When you finish a round, make sure to do a slip stitch in the first stitch to close it off. Then chain 1 to start the next round. Do double crochet increase in every stitch. You will have total 16 stitches in this round. Here, I crochet 1 single crochet, and then make another single crochet on top of it to replace starting with 2 chains. Here is the first double crochet. Then you can continue to do another double crochet in the same stitch. When you finish a round, make sure to do a slip stitch in the first stitch to close it off. Next, we'll start crocheting the petals. Let's switch to another yarn color. Yarn over the light purple yarn and then make a chain, and pull tight the purple yarn. For the first petal, start with 2 single crochets. Then make 6 chains. Skip 1 stitch and begin crocheting in the back bump of the second chain, making 5 single crochets. That completes the first petal. Repeat this pattern to create the remaining petals. Start with 2 single crochets. Then chain 6. Skip 1 stitch and begin crocheting in the back bump of the second chain, making 5 single crochets. Repeat this pattern to create the remaining petals. When you finish a round, make sure to do a slip stitch in the first stitch to close it off. Skip the first stitch, then work as follows. 2 single crochets, one half double crochet, two double crochets, a double crochet increase, three double crochets in the one chain, another double crochet increase, two double crochets, one half double crochet, and finally 1 single crochet. This completes 1 petal. Repeat this pattern to make the remaining petals. Skip the first stitch, then work 2 single crochets. One half double crochet, two double crochets, a double crochet increase, three double crochets in the one chain, another double crochet increase. Two double crochets. One half double crochet. And finally, one single crochet. Repeat this pattern to make the remaining petals. When you're done, cut the yarn and fasten off. To make a keychain, you can sew 2 flower pieces together, leaving a small opening. Fill the opening with a bit of polyester fiber to add some volume, then finish sewing to close it up. Attach a strand or keyring, and you've created a cute flower charm perfect for your keys or bag. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed making this project with me. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun crochet tutorials. Let me know in the comments how your project turned out, and don't forget to share your creations. See you in the next video.